Hey guys, welcome to this week's episode of Forex Analysis. So every single Sunday evening I come on this channel to share the currency pairs I'm looking at and I'm currently hoping to trade off the following week. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you right now the charts I'm actually looking at, the currency pairs, the setups that I'm hoping that will make me like really good money come next week. Okay, so a lot of my students have made a lot of money watching the Forex weekly analysis, and I'm hopeful that you're going to make like really good money after watching and trading with my own analysis. Okay, however, of course, past profits do not guarantee future profit, but however, these are really clean analysis that you actually see for yourself. So if this is your first time actually on this channel, click the subscribe button, smash the notification icon so that every single time, every single week I get to do video like this so that you do not get to miss it. Okay, and also give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so if you've done 3 of those amazing things, let's jump right into the charts. Let me show you the setups that will make you good money this week. Cheers. Hey guys, so welcome to my chart once again. So this week I'm not actually looking to trade like very heavy. I'll be trading like very lightly this week because I mean this is Christmas season and a lot of movement is not actually expected this coming week, but however we are still expecting something to happen. So if you're actually looking to trade sometime within the week, these are actually some of the currency pairs I'm looking to actually take trades on. Okay, so let's start off with EURUSD. So EURUSD is one currency that I'm hoping to really give us some bearish momentum going forward. As you can see, this trend line here is much more visible on a 1 hour. Let me open a 1 hour chart. So this is what let me extend this a little bit more. So this is actually a trend line, as you can see, that started over here, then it was broken over here. As you can see, it was broken here, then it has pulled back to the trend line again. So I'm hoping that we get something like this. This is actually expected. Sorry about that, I didn't pick that well. So this is actually happening right here, so I'm expecting something that'll give us a bearish momentum all the way down, but I'll actually enter this trade only and if this support right here is actually broken. I'll wait to make sure that this support is broken, so I won't just enter just after seeing a bearish momentum here. This is actually what I'm hoping to see. Let me show you quickly what I'm hoping to see before I actually enter this trade. So this is what I'm hoping to see over here, something like this, break this low here, then pull back, then I'll be able to short all the way down. Okay, I'll be able to short it all the way down. So that's my plan. So if we're able to break this support over here, then retest it, then I'll be willing to go all the way down. Because if you look down, if you look on a 4 hour, there's a lot of space to the downside. This is like the next realistic support. If you want to look at like the major support, we're actually looking at this zone here, although there is a support here that you might actually want to look out for too, but there's a lot of space all the way down to the next support. So EURUSD is actually at the top of my list. Okay, so next up is NZDUSD. So the NZDUSD has been following this trend line for since beginning of December, as at this is Friday 16th December, all the way down. It has been strongly following this trend line over here. So it has given us this engulfing red candle on a 4-hour time frame, which is actually a good trigger to actually go for a bearish momentum. But however, like I said, we might not be expecting like really good movement this coming this week. But however, am I willing to actually just take this trade at the beginning of the market, because this is like really good entry. This has the potential of giving us okay, this is not my kind of trade, because I like taking at least a trade that can give us 1:2, minimum 1:1.5. okay, but however, this still looks good for a sell. Okay, so I'm actually looking to short this sometime when the market opens. And also I would like to advise, do not stay that long in the market. This is time to just go in quick, take your 10 pips, 15 pips out of the market, because a lot of erratic movement might be happening. So you need to just go in in and out of the market like very fast. Okay, so next is USD card. So this is actually what I'm looking to do in the USD card. So this USD card is actually it's been really tricky. It's a very tricky trade. This is like at the bottom. This USD card is actually at the bottom of my list because I'm just keeping an eye on it. I'm not hoping to actually trade this. But however, if you look at this 4 hour chart, this is giving us like good. We can say that this right here, as you can see, let me draw this right here, we can say that this is actually a good head and shoulders pattern over here. So this is the shoulder, this is another shoulder, and this is actually the head right here. Okay, so but however what I'm actually hoping to do, that's if it actually happens, is if we can break this support over here, then retest here, then I'll be willing to short all the way down. As you can see, this was the last support here, so I mean I'm willing to short this. I don't think this support will hold very strongly, and the reason being that it's not actually like a very major support on the daily time frame. Okay, so but however, this is my last, this is the last thing I actually want to do in the market come this week. Okay, and it's actually it seems like impossible that this will actually play out within this week, because there's not much volatility to push this thing all the way down. Okay, so however, it's actually on my list. Okay, so next off is NZDCHF. So NZDCHF, this is one of the trades I'm actually I've been keeping my eyes on. I really hope to squeeze a lot of juice out of this particular trade. Okay, now let me start from a daily time frame. From a daily time frame, as you can see, this was the last support that was broken, and this is like the next major support that we are looking that the market will probably want to go to. Okay, so as you can see, the market wants to is doing a I think this, from what I can see here, this is actually like a fake reversal. But if you look at it on a 4 hour time frame, it might look very promising, but it's not that promising. So this is what I'm actually hoping to see here. If you draw a Fibonacci from here, from top to bottom here, as you can see, we're actually at the 38.2% level, but this is my zone of interest. This is where I'm interested in. I'm interested in this 61.8. If it gets to this 61.8, as you can see, the 61.8 level also coincides with this 1.8 coincides with this 50 moving average on a 4 hour time frame. So if I can get the market to pull back to this point, then I'll be looking for shorting opportunity. So this is what I'm expecting up here. Then give me a little push down move, give me a very good double top. If I can get a double top on probably a 1 hour time frame on this, I'm willing to short this all the way down. Okay, so this is something that you actually want to keep your eyes on. Okay, so next off is the EURJPY. Now EURJPY is actually I'm hoping that EURJPY just keeps grinding all the way. This is like a very good scalping opportunity as far as I can see, especially on a 1 hour time frame. So if we draw a because this is, let me draw this out. Let me show you something on the 4 hour time frame. So if we do a Fibonacci here, from here all the way down, as we can see right here, we are getting to the 38.2 level, which is a level I'm very much hopeful that this market will actually slowly grind into, and probably grind into the 50 or somewhere between the 50 and the 38.2. I'm actually expecting the market to start pushing down from this region. Okay, so that's why I have my my lot over here, so that I can keep my eyes on it. So I'm actually just hoping to on a very limited time, just short this go long on this particular EURJPY. Okay, so let me extend this because I don't like, let me show you what I'm actually looking to do here. Okay, good. So if we do a trend line here, from here all the way down here, so as you can see, this trend line is looking like really good. So if I can see if this can actually bounce, come back into this trend line, and I see a bullish momentum, I'll actually be willing to go long on this, because I know that this will just slowly grind. Even if it doesn't get there, trust me, this EURJPY will just slowly grind all the way up, just keep grinding all the way to this point. Okay, but for better entries, I would love to get, take a position where I can get like a very confident 1:2. Okay, so this is actually what my plan typically would actually look like. Okay, a typical 1:2. Okay, but however, that's a possibility, right? So that said, that's all for now. That's all I'm actually looking for to trade this coming week. So guys, catch you guys next week. I'm hoping that you made a lot of money last week with the last week's analysis. I'm hoping that you make good money coming this following week. So cheers, catch you again next week.